We do offer emergency services. When we get the call, we're usually dispatched within 20 to 30 minutes. When somebody's calling in that time, at that moment, that's probably going to be, one of their worst moments plumbing wise. So we like to, address that pretty quick and get out there and get them taken care of and make sure that, they're comfortable with it. Just call the 214-946-1638, and that phone rings and we will answer it all the time. As far as emergency goes, it's just going to depend. If you smell gas and you're scared, call the fire department, call Atmos. They'll come out there, they'll get it turned off. Just in case we can't make it out there quick enough, you never play with that. If you have a water leak, it's always best to know where your home shutoff is. If you have a water heater leak, it's good to know how to shut the water heater off. So these are all things we can talk about, when we get out there and get in front of you and just kind of show you these things in case something happens.